day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another designer showcase. Today, my friends, it's 6th grader James, so let's get cracking. All right, friends, so James is a 6th grader in my 6th grade computers class, and we have just done the playground project. Friends, if you haven't seen this project, friends, if you have not seen this lesson, it is a spiral, slide, and staircase. And then also we make our own teeter-totter, which you can see back here, and then I give them the swing design. After that, there is a challenge where I ask you to create your own awesome parts. So James dug in and made these sweet monkey bars, and then also he created this sweet zip line. You can see there is a block that slides across and you can ride back and forth. A cool little jumpy thing with springs underneath it, and he had a ton of fun pushing my lesson to crazy awesome levels, which is the way I like to see it in class. Now while I was walking around, he got done with this and he started playing around. Check out what he made next. Friends, this is my cute little Minecraft bee, but are you ready for this? James broke him apart and created a skeleton bee. How cool is that? Totally used his own ideas, came up with it, and bam, there it is, skeleton bee. Totally awesome, totally fun, and I love when students, especially 6th graders, are diving in and starting to make their own epic designs. Wait though, he was not finished. When I got home from school yesterday, check out what he had created. Friends, he had made the entire skeleton of a creeper. How awesome is that? All right, friends, so just remember, if you ever make something awesome like James did and you want to share it with me, all you have to do is hit the collaborate button, generate a link, copy the link, and you can ship it to me on Facebook, Instagram, or Gmail. I am HLModTech on all three of those. You can also find me on Twitter. I am HLTinkercad. Friends, if that method doesn't work for you, don't forget you can also visit HLModTech.com. If you hit the Tinkercad tab, you can find my designs for circuits, code blocks, the 100 Light Club, the designer showcases, so you can see all the ones like this that I've made earlier, things you can 3D print, and also the sweet Minecraft Mayhem page. Friends, also, if you scroll down below this, you will find the multi-lesson projects. Here is the sweet playground. You can find all the lessons in there so you can create your own awesome playground. Lastly, friends, there is the sweet messaging tab. You can click this and reach out to me almost instantly. Lastly, friends, of course, I want to thank James for his cool creation and taking time to share it with us. Friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.